beetle off here. Just choosing a jig based on depth, size, silhouette, color. Nice fish. There he is. It's a brown. Time to move. There's a brown trout. Oh. That didn't sting him. Let's see if we can do that again. Try again behind this rock. Took the nymph. Oh my gosh. It's a big boy. Okay, we're gonna rest that fish. We're gonna sit down and be real quiet. Wow. To about 11, 10 inches. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at how he just ate that again. He gone. See, there's 3 different currents here. We're as deep as we can get in that hole. Fly's barely moving. We're basically Euro nymphing. So you can lift up right here. You can let those flies settle. Like a rainbow. This rod, man. Oh, it's great to fight a fish on a 3-weight. That's a brown. Light colored brown. This pool has a lot of flat water. I'm 8 feet away from this fish. Oh wow, there's 2 big trout right here in this hole. Look at that. 2 big trout. So we're 8 feet away from these 2 nice wild trout. See a trout right there and one over there. We're going to see if we can get one drift that presents to both of these fish. but they didn't eat it. They're probably spooked. Some nice fish in there. Eating dries. Why do we even have that? Oh, there's a big one. We haven't shown our fly to that one yet. We've identified a little pot of fish, and it's got to be stockfish. There's like 6 in this tiny little hole on the side of the stream, and they've refused that, but we're going to tie on another fly about 8 inches deeper. Remember this little thing here.
Start that.
Really close to him. We're landing the fly a few inches in front of the first fish. They were just deeper. Yeah, they just get in this mode where they learn not to eat anything that's not right on the bottom. Let's get him back fast. There's a nice hole over here on the far bank. Just a little pothole. Oh! Gotta love that. Big brookie on a dry fly.